The KitchenAid 1.7 L food processor in sleek Onyx Black isn't just a countertop appliance. It's your daily sous chef, ready to make meal prep faster, easier, and more precise. Designed with a reduced footprint, smooth finishes, and a clever twist-free design, this food processor makes setup and operation effortless. The one-click bowl assembly and secure latched lid mean you can get to work in seconds, whether you're prepping dinner or whipping up a quick snack. At the heart of this machine are illuminated LED controls with 3 intuitive speed paddles, high, low, and pulse. Whether you need gentle handling for delicate ingredients or powerful chopping for tougher tasks, you can switch modes with a simple press. The 1.7-liter capacity offers the perfect balance, large enough to handle generous batches, yet compact enough to fit comfortably on your counter. Versatility is one of its biggest strengths. The multi-use accessories include a multi-purpose blade for chopping, mixing, and pureeing, a dough blade for kneading bread or pizza dough, a reversible medium slicing shredding disc 4mm, and a thick slicing disc 6mm. From crisp vegetable slices to perfectly shredded cheese, this processor handles it all. The 2-in-1 feed tube located on the lid accommodates a variety of shapes and sizes. The small pusher even has a built-in oil drizzle opening, perfect for making smooth emulsions like salad dressings or mayonnaise without stopping the machine. KitchenAid has also mastered storage convenience. All accessories store neatly inside the bowl, the brand's most compact in-bowl storage design, so you'll never have to search for a missing blade. Plus, the underbase cord wrap keeps your counter tidy and your kitchen looking sharp. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to the smooth surfaces and dishwasher-safe parts, ensuring your food processor is ready for its next job with minimal effort. From slicing vegetables for a salad, shredding cheese for a pasta bake, kneading dough for fresh bread, or pureeing soup for a cozy dinner, the KitchenAid 1.7 L food processor delivers professional results in the comfort of your home. Stylish, efficient, and built to last, it's a worthy addition to any kitchen. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.